In this video, I'm going to describe how to install MAMP, the integrated server bundle that includes Apache, MySQL, and PHP for Mac OS X. To download and install MAMP, go to the MAMP website, www.mamp.info/en/index.php. Scroll down toward the bottom of the home page and click the Download Now button. There are two versions of MAMP, MAMP and MAMP Pro. MAMP is a free version of the server bundle, which includes Apache, MySQL, and PHP, and MAMP Pro is a licensed version which requires a fee. We're going to use the simpler MAMP, the one that's free, because it has all the tools we need to run the exercises in this video series. But there's only a single installer for both versions. Download the DMG installer package, and then once the MAMP DMG file has been downloaded to your system, unpack it. Then open up the MAMP and MAMP Pro virtual disk. The installation of MAMP is very simple. Simply drag the MAMP folder into the Applications folder. It'll take a few seconds for everything to copy over. There's a little over 300 megabytes of content there. But that once the copying is complete, you'll be ready to launch MAMP for the first time. Close the installer window, and then navigate to your Applications folder and locate the new MAMP folder. Within the MAMP folder, you'll find a MAMP application. Start it up. You may see this security prompt, and click Open. When MAMP starts up as an application, you'll see two things happen. First, you'll see a browser window open to localhost :8888. The Apache web server that's a part of the MAMP installation starts up on this custom port, and you'll be able to navigate around to the various tools that let you administer the servers. Before you visit those administrative tools, though, you'll want to go to the MAMP application and change the ports for both Apache and MySQL. Click on the MAMP icon in your dock. Then click the Preferences button in the MAMP application. Click on Ports at the top of the window, and then click Set to Default Apache and MySQL ports. This will cause the Apache and MySQL servers to run on the same ports as they are in Windows, which will allow you to run the code in exactly the same way as a Windows user might do. Then click OK. You'll see that the servers restart automatically, and you may be prompted for a password. If so, enter your Mac administrative password. It's also a good idea to make sure that the built-in web server that comes with Mac OS X is turned off. To do that, go to System Preferences. From there, go to Sharing, and check to make sure that web sharing is unchecked. If you had web sharing checked, that would mean that the version of Apache that's included with Mac OS X is also running, and you might run into a port conflict. You should now be able to navigate around and see all the different tools of MAMP. In order to make sure that the MAMP servers keep running, just keep the MAMP application open. If you close the application, that shuts down the servers. I'll just minimize the MAMP application to the dock. The tool that you'll be using here and there throughout the video series is phpMyAdmin, a web-based administrative tool that lets you manage your MySQL server. Close the browser and close any other windows. Return to the MAMP application, and then click Open Start Page. This time you'll see that the page opens on a local host with no port number, because we updated the port numbers in the MAMP installation. Then go to phpMyAdmin, and from there you'll be able to follow steps in later videos where you'll import a database table into your MySQL database. One other thing that's important to know about using MAMP. Your Apache document root folder, that is, the folder that contains all of the root documents, is in the htdocs folder under the MAMP folder. In a later video, you'll be instructed to copy some existing PHP code into your document root. At that point, if you're working on the Mac, you'll copy the files into this htdocs folder. I'll mention that in the later video at that time too, but it's a good thing to know at this point as well.